Hey guys, we're at your house and we have a frame. Don't quite have a roof just yet, but we're going to do a nice video and it's looking good. They're just starting to put the plumbing in, and I just wanted to say, I know you guys wrote some scriptures when you came out here. That is totally awesome. You know what those are. I've had a bunch of my clients do that before. Good choice. But yeah, hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. This is what I do for my clients. I take videos of their homes as they're being built, and also we help you guys get into an inventory home to make sure that it's built right. So if you're looking to buy a new construction home, you're going to want to have somebody on your side. You're going to want to have a new construction realtor like myself to help guide you through the entire process, help make sure an extra set of eyes on the entire home building process. So let me spin you around and we're just going to take a look. And this is what's called the very rough framing stage. It's pretty rough. They haven't gone through and done all their checks and everything, and they're just starting to put the plumbing in. As soon as they get the roof in, then they'll start doing electrical and all that stuff. They'll come back and get your third-party inspection. All right, let me spin you around. All right. So I don't normally start in the garage, but start in your bedroom. Nice. Gonna look great. This bedroom came out great. I love Coventry, how they do these curved walls here. And they've got quite a bit of OSB on the outside. Down right there is going to be a shear wall. We're up north. We're in Willis, Texas, Chambers Creek, Coventry home. And they have slightly different building codes. I don't make it up here too often, but they have slightly different building codes as far as windstorm. They'll have strategically placed OSB where they need it. And of course, they do have a shear wall going through the middle of the home right there. All right, so here is your huge closet. And that's your primary bathroom. There's your stand-up shower with a bench and a cool window for light. Okay, let's walk you around the rest of the house. So coming through here, and these windows are gonna be amazing. Look at that view. Nobody's gonna ever be behind you. Huge covered patio, and we're gonna poke you right through the window here. Yeah, so you have your kitchen ready to go, and I see that big orange span right there, Boise Cascade Versalam. Here, we'll jump right through your window. And for those of you that have watched my other videos, you know how much I love these Versalam. It's laminated, man-made wood product that they compress really, really strong. And they actually got 3 of those butted together, and they're very strong, very expensive too. But because you got such a large span without any columns, you need it. And of course, it's dropping all that load on that huge post right there. Plenty. So you got a lot of OSB wrapped around here. It's good. Good, good, good. And you'll see these flip-up straps. They're all around the house. Those are down into the concrete, and then when they obviously pour it, it cures in there, and then they flip them up and nail them up to the OSB. Holds the house down. There's another flip up right there. Breakfast area looks good. We have a lot more flip overs. I don't know, flip up or flip over, whatever they are, but those are in the concrete too. They flip them down and nail it to that board on the bottom there. So they got a lot of those. Lot. And guys, keep in mind, this is a different building code than further down south. We've got a lot of straps here. Good, 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 good. And again, if it doesn't look the way it should, or if you guys see something, that's because we are in the rough framing stage. They haven't gone through their inspections yet. I'm sure the construction manager's been out here just to kind of look over things. But yeah, they're not even close to having, they'll come back. Love it, guys. Way to go. You're gonna know that's above your fireplace. Love it, love it, love it. And I saw the ones in the kitchen too. There's your plumber up there running the PEX plumbing. And on your kitchen island. And you guys had a question about something. I don't remember what that was. I think they had to move something. I haven't been out here since they poured the slab, but there was something that wasn't in the right spot. So I don't know if they fixed it for you or not. I'm sure Anthony, your construction manager, took care of it. Here's your kitchen. These are your where they're going to hang your kitchen cabinets. It's not structural, but it just gives them a place to hang the cabinets. Lots of cabinets going all the way down there. There's your gas line for your stove. And that's a vent pipe. There's at the top. Nice walk-in pantry. And guys, as I'm walking, if I see something that needs to be addressed, I'll definitely point it out. There's one thing, and I showed you a picture, but that drain pipe is sticking a little bit further out than it should. I don't know what they're going to do with that, but when you go to hang a sheetrock, I don't know. They'll fix it. That's minor. So I like how they shoot this line, shoot those into the concrete. Holds that whole wall down to the concrete. Because you really can't have straps or flip overs in the middle of the home, if that makes sense. All right, we're coming over to the music here, but I wanted to show you the garage, so bear with me. Hey, it's kind of relaxing. There's your front. Beautiful neighborhood. Beautiful. Yeah, so this header, they've got a bunch of these up here, and they got to drop all that load down there because they're not going to have a column here, which is good. Those two-car garages are a pain in the butt, but that's going to look nice. Just a big garage door. Lots of spans without columns. I'm seeing 3 there, and you're going to have 3 coming down. That looks good. I'm going to point out something here, and we can bring it up with your construction manager. This one too. And we'll see what he says. I don't know. Again, it's the rough framing stage, and they can change anything. Nice Versalam. Love it. And it's dropping that load on all that structure right there. So you got that, plus that big block right there. It's all dropping the load straight down. But I wanted to address something here, and I took a picture of it. Yeah, I know the wood doesn't look very good on the side. I know it's providing structure, but these gaps in here, I kind of would like, I don't know if you can see that in the light. There you go. I kind of would like a little less gap than that. So they could take all these off and then really squeeze them together and then nail them. That's just me. See the gaps? Yeah, so we'll address that. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what Anthony says about that. But yeah, looking good. So here's another Versalam. So it's connected with these big hangers right here. Big hangers, and then these. Oh, yep. Need some. Huh. Okay, I know why. Because they're not 4x6 or 2x6s or whatever. Looked like it was missing, but there we go. It goes over there, and then it drops 2 down to there. Looks good. Yeah. So again, rough framing stage. I'll send you some pictures of some of the things that we might question. Wow, there's another big Versalam right there. I didn't even show you that one, but it's looking good, guys. I think we should be having a roof pretty soon. They can't put any electrical or windows or anything like that. What is called is a sealed house once they put the roof on. Let me spin you back around and we'll take a more look at it. Yeah, so I forgot to show you that one. Huge burst slam right there. Drops all that load to this massive structure right here. That looks really good. Oh, another scripture. I love you guys. Yeah, so all that looks good. See, there's no gaps, no spaces. That's solid. And it's dropping all that right there. And those boards look a little bit better. Actually, look a whole lot better. All right, let's see what room we missed. Get to the front. Sorry, guys, this is a long video, but hey, we're having fun, right? Here's your front door. Office study. See what kind of spans we have. Okay, yeah, so there's two there, and you can tell right there it's holding the roof up. Literally, it is holding the roof up. That one right there, that's going to drop down to this huge, massive one in here. See what's on the other side. Sitting on top of that. And they did the same technique over here. Dropping it down right there. Right down to there. And here's another major, I wouldn't call it major load bearing, but they are dropping a lot of load right there on top of that one is coming down there. So that looks good. Okay, so we got the front bedroom. And there's probably your water line coming in, or that might be a spigot going out. That's what that is. So you have a spigot there. Rough framing stage. I love it. Because then you can see what all they fixed. Probably could use a little bit better nail in here. Right there. Not too bad. They'll miss, but they need to come back probably and put a couple more. And guys, this is why. Let me spin you back around. Yeah, for those that are not my clients yet, this is why you need somebody like me to go through this and walk through these homes in these various stages. You're going to get an inspection, but it's going to be kind of right before they put the sheetrock up. It'll be the pre-sheetrock inspection. You'll get your third-party inspector. I'll be out here with the inspector. Your construction manager will be out here with the inspector. The city, they'll do their own permitting and inspections just to make sure that everything's right before they go to the next stage. But what I'm trying to say is you're going to need someone like me to help you out. All right, let's spin you back around. We're almost done. There's your bathtub. Yeah. I was going to take you upstairs. I think we're done. Oh, I see something here. All right. There. So the sheetrock wall is right here. I'd be curious to see what they do because it's not quite exactly where it needs to be. Depends on what that is. They might, because that's underneath the sink, they might just go around it with the sheetrock, and that'll be fine, I think. Especially since it's an interior wall. But that's the kind of stuff that your inspector will write up in their report. So I'm going to pause you real quick, and we're going to go upstairs. Okay, so this is what Coventry in this neighborhood. By the way, it's a 55 plus gated community. It's super cool. I'll have to put a link in the description to this place, but this is actually your attic. They call it a Texas basement. It's a staircase to your attic instead of a pull down. So you can just walk all your stuff up here. This is not air conditioned space. Massive amount of storage. So obviously your roof will be there. It's really cool to see it without the roof. Those are great shots. You can really see how that supports the roof up. So again, anytime you got a major supporting the roof, you got to have two. And look at that, they put extra there, and they got 3 here. So anytime you have a supporting, you got to be able to drop that load down to there. There we go. Don't want to step over there, but we'll step out here a little bit. Well, there's something you're not going to be able to see once they put the roof on. Look at those beautiful trees back there. So they got your gas lines. He was just up here running the plumbing, PEX plumbing, of course. Yeah, this is cool. Nice. I'm gonna take some more pictures up here. I already got some down there, but and you can really see how that whole thing is built. Super cool. All right, looking good, guys. And then look again, it's rough framing stage. So yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. Tune into my YouTube channel. I've got 300 videos of homes being built, some model home tours, everything you need to know. You'll be the most educated new construction home buyer anywhere in town. And of course, if you're looking to buy a new construction home, you're going to need somebody like me, James Potenza, your Houston New Home Realtor, representing your best interest to help ensure you get the best deal on a well-built home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.